Howdy students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, and today I am solving NBHM, that means National Board of Higher Mathematics M.Sc PhD का जो real analysis topic है उसी का previous year paper का solution. If you want to classes from our side or want to doubt clearing session, previous year questions solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. Already all you know that Dr. Sourav Sir's class is the best coaching institution for any type of mathematics related examination. And if you want to prepare for NBHM examination, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav Sir's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So in NBH type of examination, we need to first know the approach of how to solve this question in tricky way. So let's solve this question with question number first question. So this question asks, there will be the statement will be true or false can be stated. ये एक स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है, कुछ एक स्टेटमेंट है, उसी के बेसिस में एक कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है. इस स्टेटमेंट को बोलना है ये क्या ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. स्टेटमेंट क्या है? लेट एफ बी अ रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन ऑन द इंटरवल 0 1 such that f of lambda x plus 1 minus lambda into y greater than equals to lambda of fx in plus 1 minus lambda into f of y for all x y lambda in 0 1. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है? देन द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट विल बी देन सेट u belongs to 0 1 given f of u less than equals to alpha is closed for all real alpha. एंड यहाँ पर स्टेटमेंट बी में बोला गया है द स्टेट u belongs to 0 1 given by f of u greater than equals to alpha is closed for all real alpha. So how can I solve इस क्वेश्चन को? हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इन ट्रिकी वे में? चलो देख लेते हैं. स्टेटमेंट ए जो स्टेटमेंट है, दिस गिवन कंडीशन इज अ concave function okay, for which a is true because of a is अगर true होता है तो कारण क्या है? because of continuity of concave function. Our statement B is not necessarily true. ठीक है. For example, let's consider a function fx, that means x square. Fx means minus x square. Fx equals to minus x square when x belongs to 1 minus 1 0 and otherwise minus 1 when x equals to what? X equals to 0. So this is a concave function. Now we can take alpha equals to 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So then u belongs to 0 1 given by f of u greater than equals to minus 1 by 2. That means that is equals to minus 1 by root 2 comma 0, which is not what? ये क्या नहीं है? ये closed नहीं है, which is not closed. Okay, so option A, statement A true statement है और statement B will be the false statement. So that's all about it. To know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe on our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in next session soon. Thank you.